Welcome subscribers and YouTubers. In this episode, I'm going to demonstrate how to use servo library of the Arduino to manage or control or automate the level crossing in model railways. This is my circuit diagram to control the level crossing. I have used two servo motors and connected to the pin number 9, which is PWM. You can use any PWM output. For this, I have used 9 and both servos can be operated with single output. Then I have used to detect the train two sensors. One is on left side of the level crossing and another on the right side of the crossing. So the movement of the train can be detected and the operation can be initiated. Then to show the status of the level crossing, I have used two LEDs in this case. Green when the level crossing is open, red when level crossing is closed. Let's see the software portion now. First, we have to check that the servo library is available under Arduino program in program files of your operating system. This is a Windows 10, so here it is under program files x86 under Windows, and then in Arduino program there is a library folder. Under library folder the servo library is available, so I can use this servo library. So this is the sketch where servo library is included and servo is created as my FATAC, and then these are the various inputs and output configurations for the program. I have used switch case, which will be utilized to map the correct status or the state of the operation. So first state is when the FATAC or the level crossing is open. Second is when the level crossing is closed because of the triggering of the sensor A. So the train moves from A to B, and then the crossing is closed. Fourth one is when the train moves from B to A. So in both direction it will sense any sensor is triggered first, it will close the gate, and when it hits the another sensor or the same sensor, the crossing will be opened. So this is the sketch. I will share this with you, and it uses the servo library from the Arduino itself. If you want to see how it works and what is the details available, you can go to this Arduino site and know about this. I will also share the address of this where you can use this servo library to control up to 12 motors. If you are using Arduino board, you can control more than 12 up to 23 with Arduino Mega. So let's move to the operation. This is my prototype to show or demonstrate the operation of this setup. So this is sensor A and this is sensor B. So let's operate first sensor A. So now gate is closed, level crossing is closed. Now train passes or hits the second sensor. Gate is open. Another train moves from the same sensor. Gate is closed. Now suppose the train has to reverse or return. Same sensor is hit again. Gate is open. The positioning of the sensors has to be determined based on the length or of the train which you have. So the distance has to be kept minimum as the longest train of your network. So let's see in the same case here from A. Again it comes out from the A. So this is the operation. You can utilize this in your network and share your comments once you use it. If you like it, please share it. Subscribe my channel to know about latest usage of Arduino and automation in my network. Of course, this is just prototype. I will put in my network and I will share the video of the same in soon. Till then, enjoy your layout. Thank you for subscribing, liking this video and commenting. Have a nice time. Bye bye.